Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start with essentials. Confirm your account is active and that you're enrolled in the right program so permissions are correct. Once done, open the PW app and sign in. Make sure you land on home. Tap Classes as your first actionable step. This lists current and upcoming sessions. If you received a class code or invite, keep it visible on screen. You'll need to paste or scan it in the next step. This avoids interruptions and speeds joining. Now select the specific class by filtering by date, instructor, or entering the provided class code. Tap Join or Enter Code. If PW asks, complete two-step authentication to validate identity. This protects your session. Once authenticated, pick audio and video settings. Choose mic only, camera on, or listen only depending on task. Grant camera and microphone permissions when requested so the class can see and hear you. Finally, confirm your display name and role so the instructor recognizes you. Finish by entering the class lobby or live session and verify audio/video are working. You should see participant lists and shared materials. If something goes wrong, try a quick restart. Close and relaunch the PW app, switch to a stronger network, or use the browser fallback link. If you still can't join, take a screenshot with the timestamp and class code, then contact support so they can trace logs. One key tip: clear the app cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.